coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. Show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got something from, as promised, Malaysia. This is Red Chef with their Pandan white curry noodle. Thought you might be interested in seeing this. At one point, there were like 25, maybe 30 different white curry varieties on the market. And now there's maybe like 4 or 5, I think. At least ones that I see doing anything, like regularly. One of them's in Indonesia, the rest are in Malaysia. But yeah, you got your paste. You got your non-dairy creamer. And you have your powder base. And that's kind of just the way it works. What do we do? It's been a while, forgive me. Okay, they want you to do it after. Alright, I'm okay with that. So we drop this in 400 mils of boiling water. Give it 3 minutes. Stick that down. And let's do a, So, what's going on for you today? For me, I've been listening closely to the, what do you call it? The, second impeachment hearing trial just started today. Pretty irrefutable, but no way. No way, they're not gonna win. And they should. Don't get me wrong. But no. I don't know why. Number 175 out of our hymnal today is do not lean on others. Right there. Do not lean. Here, let me put my phone here. You probably were able to see that, but I don't know. Do not lean on others. Don't do it. Don't do it. Okay. There's like a few short ones coming up. Interesting. But yeah, don't lean on others. Because, you know, they might be sore, and if you lean on them, that's not going to be comfortable. Well, I mean, what about the guy who says, lean on me? I guess that guy is okay, right? I'd hope so. Yeah, so effectively, the GoFundMe is over. And I did the thing and got the security stuff taken care of. They're still like fixing it. They said they fixed it, and it's like, wait a second. So they got to go do that again. And then, what was the other one? Yeah, and then nice guy Andrew sends 2 cameras, and with the extra above the security stuff, one thing that I've wanted for years is a bigger scanner. And I could have, it was like $290 and you could get an 11 by 17 HP scanner. Or for $279 you can get an 11 by 17 scanner that's connected to like a nice printer. So I spent less and I got a printer scanner combo that's a lot easier, at least. And especially with the way I have the space allocated over there, that works great. But yeah, in a week that'll show up. Also got a selfie light thing for this, so hopefully that'll help with these videos. And a little microphone that pops into the side of this. The selfie thing also comes with a better clamp than what I've got set up here, because if you saw what I have set up, I wonder if I can do this. Let's see, can you, is that even going to show that? I don't think it is. You're just seeing my phone, right? What are you seeing? You're just seeing me and my phone, so yeah. But underneath this GoPro is a little block of wood that, anyway. Big paste sachet. I'm gonna put it right there for a minute so it gets warm. Just under my gut a little bit, and it heats it up. For sachet exuberance. You need your sachets. I always say it. You always know I say it. So, dropping in the non-dairy creamer, which is a real standard thing to see in Malaysian instant varieties. So now it's all creamy. This one, it's funny. Some people are like really love this kind of stuff, and some people are like it smells like cat food. Prima taste is that way. I've gotten maybe over 5 years, maybe like literally like one person a year, like 5 in 5 years of it being #1 on my top 10. People like, it stunk up the house. I don't like it. I can't believe you'd like this stuff. I can't believe you recommend it. Generally, they're like, I don't like seafood. And it's like, oh, okay. Sorry. It kind of sucks too, because that stuff's kind of expensive. But I have a feeling that crowd, which generally people are really receptive to it and love it. Pretty much everything on my top 10 people seem to like, which means I'm doing something right. I'm not, you know, my top 10 though isn't based on popularity. There are enough of those top 10 lists. We looked at sales and we found that these are the most popular varieties for you. It's like, I don't care what other people like. All I care about is what I like. So, if you disagree, that's fine, because these are my taste buds talking. But it seems like my taste buds have a lot in common with your taste buds. So that's cool. It's so weird not having gone out walking this morning for fear of mortal danger. It's a bummer. I really would have liked to have gone out this morning, but it's just not worth walking on a sheet of ice. Come on. How much time we got? 36 after. Nice. My daughter has class in 24 minutes and we're already done cooking. We just gotta stir. So this is Pandan white curry. You might go to a bubble tea place and get Pandan waffles that are green. This has that Pandan leaf in it as well. But it's not all that really green. Although I'm kind of more on the colorblind side, so it may be greenish. But I have a feeling it isn't. But Pandan kind of has a slight nutty taste to it. Look at that broth. That's what I'm going for first. Look at that stuff. Luxury. Oh, that's good. It's pretty strong too. I miss Malaysia. I miss Asia, period. The last time I was in Asia was in 2017. And it was a lot of fun, let me tell you. Actually, I'm gonna take this seafood I have here. I've got a couple fish ball, dropping them in the pot, and some carved squid. You might have seen this before on instant noodle packaging and the, what do you call it, the recommended serving suggestion, but we might not have been exactly sure what it was. It's called carved squid. Did you know that if you just go buy a squid fillet, or for those of you up in Canada, a squid fillet? Yeah, I know. If you go buy one of those, and you just have it flat, and then you slice it up. And what you do then is do some scoring in it, like a bunch of slits all through it to make like a checkerboard. But when you boil it, it curls up, and that's why you've got that right there. Look at that. I mean, that's good enough right there. But we're going to do more, ladies and gentlemen. We are going to do more. Tofu puff. I've got this wayward slice of Naruto maki that I was going to use on the last one, but it was miso, and I don't like using Naruto on miso. It's a very rare thing for me to do that. And now we're going to use my last beauty egg. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Use the blade of truth. Oh no, there's another beauty egg in here. She made 4. That's my girl. She does those things. She is perfection perfected. And as always, thank you to my beautiful, wonderful wife, Kit, for making these fancy eggs. Come on. I'm gonna scooch you over. And we're gonna do scooch you over. Uh-oh, Miles is on a roll. He's laughing his ass off. Now what I'm gonna do, I like to get the eggs a little stained when it comes to white curry. You might say, why do you do that, Ramen Raider? Simply stated, I like to get the eggs a little stained. There's nothing behind it. It's just what I like to do. Why? Because I like it. Miles, what are you doing out there? Oh, you're gonna try again? Yeah. Alright. Ladies and gentlemen, my son Miles is going to try again. He, by the way, gets the Congressional Medal of Freedom band Wonderful for his participation today in his kindergarten math class. He did absolute wonderful, wonderful work. I don't know that I've done this before, but some seeds of the cess. Oh yeah? All right. Some chili flake. Oh, Somebody's gonna have a hissy fit on me. Dude, you don't even know what you're doing. What's that Naruto Maki doing on there? Whoa. I don't want to waste it. Yeah. Okay, let's see if I'm getting the technique better. And there we go. Well, cool. Yeah, like I said, there will be more Malaysian stuff coming soon. So be on the lookout for that. It's very possible that'll show up later today or tomorrow if they can get that paperwork over to customs. Yeah, stuck in Oakland, waiting to come and hang out. So it'll happen. Yeah, please like, subscribe, do everything that you know you need to do because you need more of this in your life. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one and bye.